Morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, the 18th, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 901, and I want to remind everyone there will be no closing video today, and there will be no daily note. I have to travel to New York this afternoon, so I'll not be able to do them. Okay, so we had news this morning. Today is actually a pretty big news day. Not so much in quantity, but the issues. We had housing starts, which were down 7%. That was a huge disappointment. The expectation was for down 3.2%. And building permits, also lower, but not terrible. The number was 1,534,000 permits. That was versus 1,594,000 permits, and that was a revision from 1.6 million. We have Asia up, we have Europe down, and we had a bunch of earnings this morning. By the way, FOMC minutes this afternoon, that's what I meant by more important than the housing starts and permits. And unfortunately, I won't be here to talk to you about that. Okay, earnings, a whole bunch of beats and a whole bunch of different activity. Target, beat, top, and bottom. After closing 254.65, down 8.5 yesterday, the stock traded as low as 242. But it's made up over half of that, currently trading around 249.94. That's down $4.71 or 1.9%. Lowe's beat top and bottom line, also gave really solid guidance. The stock closed 182.26, down 11 yesterday, traded as low as 180 and as high as 192. Last, though, is clearly on the upside and right near the high, 191.50, up 924. Analog devices beat, CREE beat, and they were both down. Analog 164.69, down $1.61 or just 1%, and CREE 80.71, down 5.54 or 6.4%. And the comment that I saw was that it was an underwhelming result. So if you don't, as I mentioned yesterday, if you don't really beat them or give great guidance, you get punished. Oil up 60 cents. Yesterday it was down all the way to the 66.33 area, up 54 cents. Well, 6659 down 70 was the close, and it closed practically on the low, but had no follow through this morning, lower than 66. So a slightly lower low, but now up on the day and trading about mid-range. The gold was down $2 after the last couple of days being up. I still believe that this area around 1800 is a problem. I pointed it out. The area right here under 1800, and I could easily see us coming back to 1770 before getting enough support to take us back through the highs. Bitcoin recovered a bunch yesterday, but is lower today, not much. Traded 48,000 yesterday, 44,000. 155 is the low today, but this too is in an area of some important support. As far as I'm concerned, the really important support is down here at 41.8, and Ethereum is the same. One stock that I mentioned yesterday, up 360%, VRPX. They have very positive results and comments from the FDA, and I just want to show you what that one has done, because after yesterday's 360, it is up another 108%. The stock has traded from 420 on the close to yesterday's low, 646, to today's high of $39, currently trading $31.60, and that's up over $16 and well over 100%. All right, everyone, that's all I have to share with you this morning. Be careful out there. I won't be here to give you the update on the Fed open market, but I'm going to guess that you'll definitely see it in stocks. Dow looks to be opening down just short of 100, NASDAQ down only 17, and the S&P down 763. Those actually, by the way, would all be higher lows than yesterday's. So really not a bad way to start the day with the news that's out there and the news that's coming. But I have to remind you, yesterday as well as the day before, market internals very weak. With a big rally, we still were 2.6 to 1 down in the Dow and 2.5 to 1 down in the NASDAQ. Those are not good numbers. All right, everyone, be careful out there. I'll be back on Thursday.